ISMS. Information Security Management System. In this topic I will be talking about this 4 contents. What is ISMS? Where does ISO 27001 fit in? Benefits of an ISMS. 9-step implementation guide. What is an ISMS? An ISMS is a systematic approach consisting of processes, technology and people that helps you protect and manage your organization's information through effective risk management. What is ISO 27001?
It is the international standard that provides the specification for a best practice ISMS and covers the compliance requirements. While ISO 27001 offers the specification, ISO 27002 provides the code of conduct guidance and best practices that can be used to enforce the specification.
There are around 7 benefits of ISMS. Secure your information in all its forms. Increase your attack resilience. Manage all your information in one place. Respond to evolving security threats. Reduce costs associated with information security. Protect the confidentiality, availability, and integrity of your data. Improve company culture. Now let's go through the 9-step implementation guide. Step 1 is assemble an implementation team. That is 1. Appoint a project leader to oversee the implementation of the ISMS. 2. Create a team chosen by the project leader or a senior management to help the project. 3. Create a project mandate. Step 2. Develop the implementation plan. Start planning for the implementation itself. This includes setting out high-level policies for the ISMS that establish. Step 3. Initiate the ISMS. 1. Determine which continual improvement methodology to use. 2. Develop the rest of your document structure. Step 4. Define the ISMS scope. Step 5. Identify your security baseline. And Step 6. Establish a risk management process. Step 7. Implement a risk treatment plan. Step 8. Measure, monitor and review. Lastly, Step 9. Certify your ISMS. An ISMS is always unique to the organization that creates it, and whoever is conducting the audit must be aware of your requirements.